Hello everyone and welcome, and today we're going to be looking at how to perform transactions from your bank on the Wise app. Now the first transaction we're going to look at is payment transaction or sending money. Now if you're sending money directly from your bank, you can set up a direct debit in the app. With a debit or credit card, it is easy and fast. It's usually cheaper to pay by debit than credit card due to the fact that it has because a credit card has a more expensive processing fee. So you can use Apple Pay or Google Pay in your app. Sending money to another Wise account doesn't have sending fees. Only low conversion fees apply. Now, what about when you're receiving money? Sending money to your recipient bank account in over 70 countries all over the world is easy. So once you send it, they'll receive the transfer to domestic payment with no additional fees for receiving the money. On many popular routes, Wise can send you money within 1 day as a same-day transfer or even an instant money transfer. You can see an estimate of how long it will take by putting some basic details in the transfer calculator on the app. Now, how do you send an international money transfer in the Wise app? All you need is an email address or Google or Facebook account. So they'll show you the fees up front and tell you when your money should arrive after you've told them how much you want to send. If you don't know the details of the recipient bank details, they can request them for you. If you do, just add your recipient bank details. Next is to verify identity. Because for some currencies or for large transfers, Wise will need to identify you. Like, they might need a photo ID. This helps to keep your money safe. And then, you pay for your transfer with a debit or credit card or bank transfer. That's it. You can transfer or track your transfer your account, and Wise will be able to tell your recipient the money is on the way. It's as simple as that.